Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to join the Temu affiliate program and start earning commissions. Let's dive in. First, go to browser and search for Temu affiliate program. Click on the first link that appears. Make sure you're signed into your Temu account. Once you're logged in, you'll automatically be accepted into the affiliate program. Here's how it works. You'll see options like no earning limit, influencer, hot items, and invite affiliate. You can earn up to $20 per referral, depending on the current promotion and the user's activity. To get started, copy your unique affiliate link by clicking on Share. You'll get different link options. Just copy one and send it to your friends or share it online, like your social media platform. When someone signs up using your link, you'll earn money directly in your account. Once you've earned enough, click on Withdraw to transfer your earnings to PayPal. Once you've withdrawn your funds, connect your PayPal to access your money. If you found this video helpful, like and give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.